Hi everybody, this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you one of my last hauls. This one was for Hobby Lobby. Looks like Hobby Lobby has one of the sales where they have a lot of stuff on clearance, and their clearance items are pretty marked down. So let's get started. So the first thing that I did find that I'm going to be sending out to somebody that really enjoys some of the Halloween stuff is some of these the Paper Studio stickers for Halloween. So this one's a Jeepers Creepers. It's a 7-piece set. It's originally $3.99 and I got it for 99 cents. So there we go. Then I got this other one also from the Paper Studio, and this one was also 99 cents compared to $3.99. And these look like they are, yeah, they seem like they're cards, like hard wood, or like very yeah, they're like hard, like cardboard kind of. These aren't, these are more flexible, but yeah. And this one has the blings and then the little four cards. And then I got this other one here that's also from the Paper Studio. This one is also was $3.99 compared to the 99 cents compared to $3.99. So I got that. And then they had these. These are also from the Paper Studio. They're glitter foam bats, and these were 87 cents compared to $3.49. So I ended up getting 2 of those. And then I got these right here as well. These are also from the Paper Studio. There's 30 pieces, and they're pretty much, it's 2 pages of the same one for 49 cents compared to $1.99. And then I got this other one here that's that was 49 cents compared to $1.99, and then also 2 sheets, so there's a total of 26. So those are the first things that I got. Then I also found this. I was looking for more of these, but it was the only one that I found to the Hobby Lobby that I went to. It's the Paper Studio mini craft sacks, and there's 4 different designs, which are these little girls here. And there's a total of 20 little mini craft sacks for 74 cents compared to $2.99. I really was looking for more of these, but they didn't have them. So all right, the other thing that I got was I got some envelopes, and I didn't want to get too many. There isn't that many colors that were on sale for the 4.5 by 5.5 envelopes. Well, this says cards, so these are actually cards. These are not envelopes. These were 74 cents compared to $2.99 for a total of 12. So I ended up getting 2 of those that are exactly the same. They're bright pink. I was gonna get more, but I figured I have a lot of cardstock paper that I need to use, so I was, you know, I figured I could just use these on a special project. And then I also got these envelopes. They are also from the Paper Studio, and they were 99 cents, marked down to 99 cents compared to $3.99. So I ended up getting 2, and these envelopes are they have they're foiled, and they just are like confetti foiled around the edge, and then also on the back flap as well. So I got 2 of those. And then I also got this right here that are also 12-piece envelopes. These are the sprinkles there, and these are, I didn't mention the size on these, but these are 5.25 by 7.25. 99 cents compared to $3.99. And I also got 2 of those. And then now that we're on envelopes, I got this box. Somebody had posted a video where they had mentioned the glitter cards, but I just looked like they were full of glitter everywhere, and I really didn't want to deal with that. So I ended up finding these that are the Stargazer box of cards. There's a total of 50 cards and envelopes. There's 10 designs, and there's 5 designs of each one. So there's a total of 100 cards with 100. There's a total of 100 pieces. So these were $2.99 compared to $11.99. I really wanted to get more, but like I said, they only had these They had some other ones that were like llama kind, I think, but I didn't really like the envelopes. There's only one card that was pretty cute, so I didn't think it was worth it. So here are the designs that they have. This one right here is a unicorn one. It's like black with a iridescent unicorn. So these are pretty cool. So like I said, I got that. And then the last thing that I got was a sticker book that's for card making. So I've been making a lot of cards. So this one is a total of 529 pieces for $4.99 compared to $19.99. So this was pretty good. And it has a lot of stickers. So I figured I could use these on my card. So they just has, like this one's for Happy New Year. For the holidays. Fall and Thanksgiving. Day of the Dead. Oh, that one's pretty cool. These are for Day of the Dead. These are for Halloween, fall. Oh, these are like the clear ones. They're not actual paper ones. For Father's Day, for Mother's Day, Easter, Valentine's Day. And there you go. So I got this one as well. So this is the first set of the sales that I've gotten. I'm actually gonna try to go to the one that I went to was not near where I live. It was further up north. So I'm gonna try to go to the one that's near my house, but you know, Sundays they are not open, so I'm gonna try to see if I can do another stop. Maybe, I'm still not sure because I have a lot of stuff. I have to work on the stuff that I have, so I just kind of wanted to take advantage of some of these things because they were really marked down. They're really reduced in prices. So usually they'll have other sales on other items. This one, it was just kind of the paper crafting section, so hopefully they'll mark down other things and then I'll share with you. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.